If you're a car enthusiast looking for a waterfront home in St. Petersburg, Florida, I have the home to show you. Today, I'm going to give you a tour of this beautiful home located in Venetian Isles. It has an upstairs option for a primary as well as a downstairs, both with en-suite bathrooms. The best part is we have an air-conditioned garage that accommodates 3 bays and has ceiling height that can take multiple car lifts. Come on in and take a look. If you like this tour and would like to see this home in person, I'm Georgia Janis with North Star Realty. Give me a call or send me a text and we can make an appointment for you. 727-488-3763.